Welcome to It's Rafiq. In today's video, I am going to discuss the half-yearly question paper of Computer Science 2018. Though the computer books is changed, but still the chapters are same. So only few questions are not matching with this new book. So we are going to discuss the questions which are matching with the old new book. The first one is fill in the blanks. It is for 4 marks, and please mind your paper will be for 70 marks, not 80 marks. Earlier it was for 80 marks. From this year your theory marks will be 70. So the first questions is fill in the blanks. First fill in the blanks se ahe, normally 3 marks, 4 marks like that. First question is write down the full form of EDSSC. EDSSC. So here full form to whole electronic delay storage automatic calculator. Sorry, it full form khula nasile. The EDSSC was the first computer based on the concept of storing information or storage, something like that. Okay. Number B, 1 gigabyte is equal to KB. Now please see, gigabyte or next to hoy MB, means KB, MB, then GB. So directly tumaloke jodi 1024 likha, then it will be wrong. So you have to write 1024 into 1024. Moi likhi khene dekhai asu. So you will write this one 1024 into 1024 KB. Then it will be correct. Okay. Then the next question, question number C. The section of the report contain the records. Etu ahise MS Access chapter opera jitu ei notun bookkhonot nai, so no need this question. Third, the one slide following the other on the screen is called a transition. Slide transition tumaloko bokotu ase, means ekhon page opor an ekhon page move hole kiba ta animation show kore, hetur naam hol transition. Next we'll come to question number 2. Choose the correct. Number 1, which of this is not a type of query? Etu ahise MS Access or pora jitu new bookot nai. So jeketa questions nai moi cross sign di disu yate. Next was the column option is available on this tab. Column option to quote ase home, design, insert, none of this. Correct option to whole insert tab. Then a worksheet in Excel has these columns. Etu new book to ase. So the correct answer is 16384. Then true and false. Which of the following is not correct for text in a cell? Yate khudise kuntu statement correct nohoy text or karone. So examot tumaloke eneke diba 3A, then jitu option correct nohoy hitu likhiba. Like here hol right aligned in a cell. Normally numbers bilak right aligned thake, text thake left. So amak jihetu khudise kuntu correct nohoy, so tumaloke likhiba etu right aligned in a cell. The next one, which of the following is false about notepad? Notepad or bishoye kuntu false hoy. Not correct aru false dutai same. So yato ami false to he likhibo lage. So etu hobo a text editor etu hobo eneke a text editor allow creating and editing documents. Etu notepad e okol amak text document he modify koribo di, document koribo nidie. So etu hobo false. Tar pisot ahil question number C, which of the following is correct? Etu tumalukor nai, so no need to see. This one also from Access. Then name the different types of data that can be entered in Excel worksheet. Ami Excel worksheet ot ki data enter koribo paru. Ami mainly 3 types of data enter koribo paru. Hebilak hol text, number and formulas. So mainly ami 18 type of data Excel worksheet ot enter koribo paru. So etu question answer tumaloke etu likhibo para. Then what is thesaurus? It is a features of MS Word which allow us to search for synonyms. এইটো লিখিব পাৰা default value property, this one is not in the new book. What are objects? এইটো new bookত নাই. What is slide? এনেকৈ লিখিব পাৰা a single page in a presentation is called slide. What is shortcut? It is a link to a application or a file through which we can open any file or app quickly. এনেকৈ লিখিব পাৰা. Then what is the use of floater? এইটো আছে chapter 2 আছে কি জানি নাই 1 তে আছে. Floater are used to print a large size of paintings or drawings. এনেকৈ লিখিব পাৰা. Mainly means যেতিয়া আমি short সৰু সৰু প্ৰিন্ট কৰিলে আমি প্ৰিন্ট আউট কৰোঁ, কিন্তু যেতিয়া ডাঙৰ পোষ্টাৰ্ছ এইবিলাক প্ৰিন্ট কৰিব লগা হয় then we use floater. So you can write that one. Screenshot, this is not added in your book, so you can exclude. Then let's see what we have next. তাৰপিছত আছে what is a cache memory? Cache memory is a temporary memory which is much faster than primary memory or RAM. এনেকৈ লিখিলে হ'ব. কেছ মেমৰি নৰ্মেলি ৰেমৰ কাষতে থাকে, যিটো আমাৰ কম্পিউটাৰক ফাষ্টাৰ কৰে. মিনছ ৰেমক এনি টাইম কিবা এটা ইনফৰ্মেশ্যন লাগি থাকে কৰিবলৈ, চ' সেই ইনফৰ্মেশ্যনখিনি কেছ মেমৰি প্ৰভাইড কৰে. মিনছ কেছ মেমৰিত ইনফৰ্মেশ্যনখিনি ষ্ট'ৰ হৈ থাকে আৰু তাৰ পৰা ৰেমে ইউজ কৰি কম্পিউটাৰটো ফাষ্ট কৰে. চ' ইউ কেন ৰাইট কেছ মেমৰি ইজ এ টেম্পৰৰী মেমৰি হুইচ ইজ মাছ ফাষ্টাৰ দেন প্ৰাইমেৰী. নেম ওৱান অপাৰেটিং চিষ্টেম ইউজড ইন মোবাইল. ইউ কেন ৰাইট এণ্ড্ৰইড অৰ iOS. What information is displayed on the status bar? Status barot ki information display kore. This is mainly status barot ki dekhabo aru zoom button, then zoom button, and you can write like a status of the application. Hegitai show kore mainly. What are handouts? Etu MS PowerPoint or pora dise tat ase already, so tar pora sale hol. Then answer any 10 of the following. মানে ইয়াৰ পৰা যিকোনো 10টা answer দিব লাগে. I think 12 or 13 questions are there. From here you have to answer only any 10. First, what do you mean by merge cells? Merge cells means when we combine two or more cells together in a range is called merge cells. Then difference between required and allowed. This is not required. Difference between header and footer, this is already in MS PowerPoint, also in Word also. Header is the text or graphics which is printed at the top of the document, and footer a text or graphics which is printed at the bottom of the document. And what is AI? It is also there in your book. AI is features of computer science which can mimic the work of human, or it's mainly used for scientific calculation or complex calculations in computer. What is the difference between theme and a template? Hey duta definition likhile hol. Theme means theme ki kore, theme amak mainly color eblak change kore, but template it's like a fill in the blank type. There already one format will be there, just will change the information from a template. Who debugged? This is not required. What is DBMS? Not required. How are the rows and columns numbered in a worksheet? This you can see. Rows are numbered as rows are named as numbers like 1 2 3, and columns are named as letters like A B C D in a worksheet. That one you can write. Difference between moving and copying, you can see. When we move any object, it move from the original place and transfer to a new location. But when we copy anything, it remain in the original location, and one copy of the file or object is copied to the new location or moved to the new location. Then next question is write two characteristics of primary key. This not required. What is soft copy and hard copy? Soft copy, the document which are stored in our computer is known as soft copy, and hard copy, the documents which we print out is known as hard copy. Soft copy we can't touch, hard copy we can touch. What are supercomputers? These are a computer with much higher speed processor and large memory, which is mainly used in scientific calculations. Like that you can write. তাৰপিছত আহিলে What is the use of slide sorter view? It is used to see all the slides together so that we can arrange them in a systematic way. Or sometime when we have to arrange the slides, then we use slide sorter. It is mainly used to view all the slides together. Primary and composite key, no need. Then cell E2 contain 12, E3 contain 18. Mane E2 does 12, E3 18. Select the two cells using autofill, drag till E6. E3 episode aibo 4, 5, 6. Mane eta cell E4, 5, 6 ot key values ahibo. So see 12 or pasot 18 ahise. Mane 12 plus 6 18. So 6 or table to go ase. 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18. Then it will be 24. Then it will be 30, then 36. Mane answer hobo here 24, 30 and 36. So enake etur answer ulabo para. Difference between animation and slide transition. Animation we can apply to a single or a group of objects, and transition is applied in when a slide move from to another, or when a slide move from one slide to another. This is slide transition, and animation, that one especially for a particular objects. Footnote, endnote, it is not included in new book, so no need. 3 characteristics of a computer, this one you can see. 3 advantage buli kole hobo pare actually: accuracy, speed, diligence. Eblak likhibo para jehetu 2 marks ase, so explain each points. Write 3 functions of an operating system. Etu bookot ase sabo para, like processing management, processor management, memory management, file management. Eblak ase, eblak likhibo para. Eblak hol operating system or functions. How to change the page orientation in Word 2010. So go, step will be like that: go to page layout tab, then go to page setup, and from there select page orientation to landscape or portrait. Then number 8, difference between compiler and interpreter. Compiler translate the whole program at once. Interpreter translate the program line by line. এনেকে লিখিলে হৈ গল। তাৰপিছত next question number 7, what is mail merge? Mention 3 steps. Mail merge is a features of MS Word which is used to write letters, and 3 steps: creating data source, creating the main document, merging the data source and the main document. Egita hol here 3 steps. Then what are the rules for naming a field? This is not required. Then write sort on Napier bones, it's already available in your book, you can see from there. 3 types of computer languages, I think it's not available in your book, so not required. Difference between RAM and ROM, you can write first point as full form, second point RAM is a volatile memory, ROM is non-volatile memory. The information stored in RAM is stored till the electricity is there. The information stored in ROM is keep safe even if the power supply is cut. Then what are the basics difference between 4 generation of computer? This one you can see like eto budile eneke likho para first generation computer are use in bulky, second generation computer use transistor and they are little smaller than the first one. Third generation are the computer which are using the operating system for the first time. Fourth generation computer are our at present we are using at present, and they are more user friendly, which we are easily can use or at home. So ekhon asil 2018 or question paper. If you have another district's question paper which you want to solve it by me, then you can send it to my email or in my Telegram group, or even you can WhatsApp me. I will try to solve the question paper. I hope from this question paper few questions will be common for your this half yearly examination also. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care and bye.